Hi, it's Mrs. Yule and my daughter Hattie, and today we're going to do a math lesson with Play-Doh. So if you would like to make this at home, here's the recipe. You need 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar, 1/2 cup of salt, 1 to 1.5 cups of boiling water, and food coloring. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll put that back up here. Okay. So the first thing on our recipe was 2 cups of flour. So we're going to get a measuring cup that looks like this, and it says 1 cup. Cook up cup. We're going to measure 2 cups out and put it in your bowl. Patty, will you make sure that water's boiling? You push it down. Where did I put that recipe at? On my phone. Okay, next we need 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to get my recipe to make sure I'm doing it right. We need the salt, which we've measured out the salt already, 1/2 cup. And we just use this kind of salt here. So 1/2 cup of salt, pour that in. The cream of tartar, you can get that in the spice section at your grocery store. That's what keeps the Play-Doh soft. And we need 2 tablespoons of oil, Hattie. So will you measure out 2 tablespoons of oil? Yep. Measure over the bowl so you don't make a mess. 1, 2. Okay. Next, it says to add the food coloring to the boiling water and then to the dry ingredients. So the water is boiling. We'll let that boil. And we're going to make pink Play-Doh today. So Hattie, when that water starts boiling, put the lid on that while we're waiting on it to boil. I'm using a tea kettle to boil my water. You can use your stove or your microwave, but make sure you have a grown-up help you with the boiling the water part because it's really hot. Start stirring that up, Hattie. Okay, we're back and the water's boiling. So we're going to pour, I've already put the food coloring in the bottom. I'll put 1 cup in to start.
Oh, wow, that's a bright pink.
You want to start stirring? I'll pour and you stir. Pour a little bit more in there to get that color out of the bowl. That is bright. Might need some more water. It just depends on the consistency of your Play-Doh. You might need to add more water. Let's add a little bit more water, Hattie. Get it? This is going to be really hot, so you're going to have to let it cool down for just a minute. Show you what it looks like there. bad those chunks are there not colored. It's a little sticky, so I might add a little more flour. It's kind of sticky still, do you think so, Hattie? Will you get a little more flour?
And this one?
Yeah. So you might have to play with the flour and the water so you get it so it's not too sticky. Pour it on in there. You can add a little more than that. That's good. Oh, this is kind of messy.
And there's flour over there.
Hey, Nora, will you hit pause on there for me? We're going to pause it and get this all fixed up, and then we're going to do the next part of the lesson. Not that one. Yep. Okay, we're back. We got all the sticky gone. We added more flour. You're really going to have to play with it to get to the right consistency, but now we've got it so that it's not sticky. That's super soft. All right. So next part of the lesson, we're going to make some numbers out of our Play-Doh. Okay. So what you're going to do, let's move this stuff out of the way, guys, and we're going to make numbers now. So we're back, and I want you to take your Play-Doh, and you're going to make some snakes out of your Play-Doh. Roll it on your tape, and the first number we're going to make is 4. So we're going to go down. Make another stick. Down, slide right, and then you're going to cut it in 2. So we have our number 4. Make 4 balls to show you number 4. 1, 2, 3. Oops. Board's falling. Whoops. And 4. So I have 4 and 4 balls. That's the same pattern that you'll see on a dice. All right, let's try another number. Let's try number 6. So make your snakes. It's okay if you don't have your own, didn't make this Play-Doh with me. If you have your own Play-Doh, that's good. If you don't have any Play-Doh, you can use yarn or string. Slant on down and give it a curl for 6. And then make 6 dice, like you see on a dice pattern. So 6 dots. 1. Sticking up there, very good. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. That's how you would see it on a dice. 3 and 3, 6. All right, let's try another number. Let's try number 3. So make your snake. Around the tree. Around the tree. So you make like a letter C around the tree. Just move it backwards. Around the tree. Around the tree. That's the way you make a 3. Around the tree, that's the way we make a 3. So then we're going to do 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. 3 dots. Okay, let's try number 8. Oh, this one's going to be tricky to make with Play-Doh. 8. So you're going to make a long snake. Put it up there, make an S. Might make your snake longer. Make an S. Oh. Go back home. Let me lay this down first. Make an S and go back home. It's easier if you're not working up, if you're working at your table. Let's do 8 dots. I'm going to do 8 dots like a 10 frame. I'm going to fill up 1, 2, 3, 4. This isn't working too good. Lay it down flat. So 8 would be 5 on the top, 3 on the bottom. 8. All right, let's try another number. Let's try 1. That's an easy one. Should have started with that one. One. 1 dot. Let's try 2. I'm going to use my same snake. Curve around. Slide right. One. There we go. 2. Oops. All right, let's do one more. Let's do the number 5. 5 has a big belly, not a big bottom. And put on the hat. And we have 5. 1, 2. This isn't looking too great. 3, 4. And 5, and that's how you would see it on a dice in that pattern. I hope you had fun making numbers with Play-Doh today, and you guys can keep making bigger numbers. And I look forward to hearing back from you if you had fun making Play-Doh numbers. Thanks. Bye.